guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is Shahi Paneer. Generally when we make Shahi Paneer, we end up adding a lot of butter, ghee and cream to it. Here I have tried to minimize all of that and yet retain the taste and make it more healthy. So if you're diet conscious and health conscious, then this is the Shahi Paneer to go to.
We'll be needing the following ingredients to make Shahi Paneer. Firstly, 3 medium-sized tomatoes which I have chopped into small dices like this. 2 medium-sized onions chopped into slices like this. 9 to 8 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger chopped finely. Half a teaspoon of sugar. Here adding sugar is optional. 5 cashews and 5 badams. 1 tablespoon of ghee, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Here the red chilli powder that I am using is very spicy, so I am using 1 teaspoon. If your chilli powder is not too spicy, you can use half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kasuri methi. I am using some khada masalas here, 1 inch of cinnamon, savitri, 2 cardamoms or ilaichi and 4 longs. 2 tablespoons of cream and 200 grams of paneer which I have cut into small cubes like this. So the process of making our gravy, first we'll have to heat a pan. Once the pan is heated, we will add in our khada masalas, chopped ginger and garlic, our cashews and our badam, chopped onions and our chopped tomatoes. Give it all a nice mix. Add in around 1/4 cup of water to this and give it a nice mix. Now close the lid and let it cook for about 20 minutes on medium flame. Now we'll check on it after around 20 minutes. Yeah, our tomatoes have become nice and soft. Even our onions have become soft. So now it's ready. Now we'll turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down. We'll take out all the khada masalas. It's important to take out the khada masalas before we blend it into our blender jar because Shahi Paneer is very mild in flavor, and if the spices have been blended, then it becomes very heavy on spices. Now once the mixture cools down, we'll add it into our blender jar and make a nice fine paste of this. So this is how the paste will look once you have blended it into your blender jar. It should be in a form of a nice fine paste. Similar kadai on medium flame. Once it's heated, add in the paste that we made in our blender jar. Now we'll add water to the blender jar and use up all the excess masala and add water accordingly to adjust the consistency of your gravy. Now close the lid and let it cook on low flame. Meanwhile, heat a kadai on low flame to cook our paneer. Next, add the ghee. Once the ghee melts, add turmeric, chilli and kasuri methi. Give it all a nice mix. Now, immediately add the paneer cube and toss it up really well. And coat the paneer with the ghee and the masalas. Continue cooking it on medium flame for about 2 minutes. Add a pinch of salt to our paneer and give it all a nice mix again. Now we'll check on the gravy which has been bubbling. Turn off the heat and let the gravy cool down for about a minute. Once it cools down, add in the cream to your gravy and give it all a nice mix. It's important to cool down the gravy before adding the cream to avoid the cream from splitting. Turn on the flame and add salt to taste and sugar. Here we are adding sugar to balance the acidity that comes from our tomatoes and give it all a nice mix. Next, add the masala coated paneer into your gravy and mix it all really well together. Now close the lid and let it cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll just check on it. Yeah, our gravy has come to a desired consistency and our paneer has also turned really soft. So now it's time to turn off the heat and we'll transfer it into a serving bowl. We'll garnish it with some cream. So there you go, our Shahi Paneer is ready to be served.
I hope you guys guys really like my video. If you really like my video and found it helpful, since I have tried it to make as healthy as possible, then do hit the like button, and also please do subscribe to my channel, and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button, so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.